Steps with words, and then we'll do them with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, cross and cross. Rock, recover, cross and cross. Point, hold, and heel and walk, walk. Stomp, half sailor step. Stomp, quarter, sailor step. Rock, recover, triple step, full turn. Step, step, quarter turn, and step. Sweep, cross and cross. Rock and weave and slide and weave. Rock, recover, and a triple step. Then cross and a coaster step and a cross and a coaster step and a step. Turn, coaster step, half turn, kick, ball change. Good. With counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. 64 counts. Couple of variations on this. When you're on the side wall, you're doing the cross, coaster step. A lot of people do a heel switches, cross or heel jacks. So you can do that. And just have fun. There is one restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. You've got it. I'll see you on the dance floor. Thank you for joining us today.